one is D1. D1 is 0.278 dB into small t. So 0.278 dB is what? Is 40 km/h into t is 2 seconds. Now we calculate this. Equal to 22.24 meter. This is the value of D1. Then come to the D2. D2 is what? 0.278 dB into capital T plus 2s. In this formula, we don't know the value of T. We don't know value of s. So what is the actual value of the formula T and s? First we know S. S formula is what? Is equal to 0.2 dB plus C. Where the capital T formula is root over of 4s divided by a of root over of whole root over. Okay. Then come to S. The formula is 0.2 dB plus C. So 0.2 dB. Where dB is 40 km/h plus 6. The value is 40 meter. Where then calculate the capital T. Formula is 4s divided by root over of 4s divided by a. Yeah, 4 into s is 40 divided by 0.92 of root over. coming, whatever the value will come, then what is asking? Minimum length of OST. So the formula is minimum length of OST is equal to P into what is the OST coming. So D1 is what? D1 is the 42.24 plus 11473 plus D3 is 140 into 94. We just adding three things, D1 plus D2 and D3, and minimum length of the of